In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free e-commerce store with Ecwid. If you've been dreaming of starting your own online store, but were unsure where to begin, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your very own online storefront ready for customers. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the Ecwid control panel. Think of this as the central hub of your store, the command center where all the magic happens. You can access the control panel from your web browser, and this is where you'll be managing everything related to your store. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it's vital for running your e-commerce store smoothly. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the website settings. This is a crucial part, as it's where you can customize your e-commerce site to suit your unique business needs. You can start by uploading images and descriptions of the products you plan to sell. The design of your online store is not only about aesthetics, but also about creating a customer-friendly experience, so pay careful attention to what you add or choose to highlight in your store. As you're customizing, think about what makes your product stand out and how you can convey that through your store's layout and design elements. For instance, good product descriptions and high-quality photos can highlight the uniqueness of your offerings. This is also the space where you have the freedom to change fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand's identity. Take your time here, as this is the face of your store and will often be the first impression your customers get. As you dive deeper into customization, consider organizing your products into categories or collections. This will help your customers navigate through the store with ease and find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Remember, a smooth navigation experience can lead to higher conversions and more sales. After setting up your products and customizing the aesthetics, you might want to adjust some of the other settings to align with your business strategy. This could include configuring payment gateways, setting up shipping options, and even determining your store policies like returns and exchanges. Make sure each element is aligned with how you intend to operate and serve your customers. That's it. Now you have the foundation of your e-commerce store with Ecwid. With this setup, you're ready to start showcasing your products to potential customers. Remember, the e-commerce landscape is dynamic, and staying updated with new tools or features can keep your store competitive. Thank you for taking these steps with me, and I wish you all the best on your e-commerce